Okay, today we are going to learn how to take an active email address from an employee that is no longer with our company and convert that email address into a shared email box. That way we can get rid of the license so we don't have to pay for it anymore, but yet we still have access to that email history so we can search for any emails that we need to and or still receive the emails coming in, but no longer give the employee access because they're not with us anymore. So once you log into your Microsoft portal, just go to portal.microsoft.com or portal.outlook.com. You get logged in, and what you're going to do is you're going to come over to the Users tab, and we're going to go to Active Users because this person technically is still active in the system. So we need to first deactivate the license. So we're going to come over and scroll down to my test monkey for this case, and I'm going to click on this user's profile. It's going to pull up the Settings tab on the right, and the first thing that we need to do is come over here to the Mail tab. And you're going to notice down here under More Actions, there is a Convert to Shared Mailbox right here. So we're going to click on this, and it's going to tell us, hey, this is going to convert from a common email address to a shared mailbox, which is fine. That's what we want to do because this is just for backup purposes. We're going to click the Convert button down here at the bottom, and we're going to let Microsoft do the changing in the background. So here we go. Now it's converted. So we're going to click Done. And remember, this person still has access to it, so we want to click back on the account, and we want to go to the make sure you can change and remove the ability for them to sign in and out, sign them out of all sessions, all that jazz. But then come to the License and Apps once you've terminated their access, and then remove the license and hit Save Changes. It's going to update this. Now you can get rid of your license because a shared mailbox does not require a license. And now when we click on the Groups tab over here in our Admin section and go to Shared Mailboxes, you're going to see that Test Monkey is now over here in the shared mailboxes. So this has now been converted. You can come in and add members to it to give them access to monitor this email address just like you would with a shared email box in the previous video. You click over here, come down to members. Whoever's going to take over this, once this loads, you can add the members to it. And then you can also, if you don't want to add members, you can just forward all new emails to whoever's going to take over the account, that kind of information. So just keep in mind, you can still treat it just like any other shared email box at that time, but that is how we archive old employees' email boxes without paying for a license to keep it active just so we can go in and search. You can search the historical emails as long as you have enough storage space for that shared email box. So hopefully this helps. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that button so you can get notified when we have more tips and tricks. If you got comments, please leave them below. If you got ideas for other videos or tips or tricks that you're curious about, if we can help out and create one, make sure you leave that in the comment below as well, and we'll see what we can do. Catch you on the next video.